So 170,000
per container.
per container.
Can you give us an approximate number of containers na napaparating mo in a month?
Sa isang linggo, maabot ako ng 100
Wow,
na container.
that's 1 week only?
Opo.
So, if 170,000 per container and you have 100 containers for 1 week, how much is that? 17 million? Mr. Taguba, I can feel your agony, and if the owner of that shipment is listening to you, would you like to give a message to him?
Oo.
Kahit hindi natin alam kung sino ang may-ari niyan to this date,